Hello everyone. Your Venmo Instant Transfer is not working? Well, I can help you out. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Venmo Instant Transfer not working. So let's get started. First, open any browser and visit the official Venmo website. Search for Instant Bank Transfer. And select the Instant Bank Transfer FAQ. Now scroll down and click on Submit a Request. Enter your full name, phone number, and email address. Make sure the email address matches your Venmo account. In the subject line, type Instant Bank Transfer not showing up. Select I'm a Venmo customer. Choose Payment and Request. Then select Others. Carefully describe your issue there. You can type something like, I am having an issue with missing instant transfer on my Venmo account. I need this to be fixed. Attach any necessary documents, then submit the request. Now, you will need to wait 24 to 48 hours for Venmo support to review your submission and get back to you. Hopefully, this will resolve your issue. Thanks for joining us today. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel.